gentlemen, welcome to Aotearoa, New Zealand! Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You were given the traditional welcome outside there that you witnessed, where one of our warriors went out and placed the wreath on the ground, the wreath of peace, and our chief here picked it up, signifying that you come in peace and you represent all these wonderful people. Thank you, Chief. And for that, ladies and gentlemen, there's one more thing we have to do to complete that, and that's what we call the hongi. And our chief and our warrior here will demonstrate nose to nose, head to head twice. The breath of life, the breath of integrity. That's the most significant thing we can do to another person in New Zealand, and that's the hongi, nose to nose, head to head. Ladies and gentlemen, if you were in New Zealand, we have to hongi to all the people in this hall here this afternoon. We have a long line here, and you stand in a long line there, and it'll take a few minutes to do that. But because there's a lot of noses out there this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to not hongi one by one, we're going to invite you to feel and to be a part of the culture here this afternoon by taking the person next to you by the right hand and just pressing nose and head softly. Would you dare please, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you. Wonderful. Nose to nose, head to head.